Welcome to our channel. Today we how to share location on iMessage, Apple messaging guide step by step clearly. Open the Messages app on your iPhone. Select the conversation with the person you want to share your location with. If you don't have an existing conversation, tap the pen icon to start a new message. Type the recipient's contact name or number. Now, tap on the contact name or number at the top of the screen. This will open a contact information view. In this view, look for the info icon, which resembles an eye in a circle. Tap on the info icon to access more options. In the options menu, locate the Share My Location feature. Tap on Share My Location. You will see various options to share your location for 1 hour, until end of day, or indefinitely. Choose the option that best fits your needs. After selecting your desired duration, confirm by tapping on Send. Your location will now be shared with the recipient. They will receive a notification and can tap the message to view your current location on a map. To stop sharing your location, return to the same options menu. Tap on Stop Sharing My Location to end it. Make sure to communicate with the recipient about your location sharing for context. That's it. You've successfully shared your location on iMessage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.